What do you get?
Thank you, Rabbit.
Thank you, Rabbit. Oh, he's so nice. Wow. Let's say thank you to the rabbit one more time. Thank you, Rabbit. Okay, so that was nice. That was so nice. Okay, let's go take our stuff downstairs, okay? Yeah. Okay, let's
give him something.
Can you give him something?
Yeah, can
Oh, that's right. Well, maybe so, but let's go downstairs right now, okay?
grab my bucket, please.
Okay.
I like my little bucket.
Woo! That is so nice. I'm still thinking he might be the Easter Bunny. I don't know, because it's getting close to Easter. Could be.
Can you open my yo-yos?
Hmm.
No,